Supreme Surface Daily Stone Cleaner. I call it Supreme Surface Daily Cleaner because you can use it on a ton of things around the house. You just kind of spring it on. If you're doing a small area, do it by hand. And I'd let it sit there for a little bit, but don't let it sit too long because it will dry. It's formulated to flash dry, so it's excellent for not only stone, but you know, countertops, appliances, glass mirror, a lot. It's pH neutral, so you can use it on these travertine tiles like this. But it's also alcohol-free, ammonia-free, phosphate-free, and fragrance-free too. It's not going to leave any sticky messes behind. It doesn't leave streaks. And you can use it on so many things. It's an excellent multi-surface cleaner. And it's powerful, but it's neutral. So what does that mean? Well, it's not going to break down the types of minerals you can find in stone. If it's a cleaning solution that breaks down water spots, you know, cleans water spots and lime scale and soap scum and all that stuff pretty well, it's going to be acidic or have alkaline in it. This does not. All right, it's safe for daily care. I trust Supreme Surface Daily Stone Cleaner on my floors in my house with my pets and my family.